is your PC keeps crashing for no reason. In this video, you will see a few methods and tools to identify what's causing frequent crashes on your PC. Event Viewer contains the log of everything on your PC with date and time. So, if there is something wrong on your PC Event Viewer, we'll have a record of it. So, let's search for it on the Start menu, then open it. Here you will see several categories. The one you should look into is the Windows logs, and because the system is crashing, check the system. Here you will see different types of events, such as information, warning, error, and critical. You will get the timestamp for the event when it happened, source, event ID, and task category. You need to check the errors and critical events. If you find trouble in searching for these errors, you can create a custom view. Here you can specify the time range from any time, last hour, 12 hours, or you can specify the custom range. Now you can select event level, so we will select error and critical. Here you can select by log or by source, where we look for the event. We will look into the system. Click on OK, then name the custom view. Now we will see all the errors and critical events in the system. You can now select the event and check its description to identify the cause of the crash. Use View Reliability History. Another inbuilt tool to find the causes of crashes on your PC is the Reliability History. Let's search for it and open it. Here you will see a graphical, timeline view of the events. You can select a particular day and see the events on that day. If you double-click on an item, it shows you more information. Here you can see it's related to software. What you are trying to do here is get an idea of what is causing the crash on your PC, whether it is a software issue or a hardware issue. To narrow down your search, you need to investigate these errors and critical events further. For example, which particular software or hardware is causing the issue. Use third-party software. To identify the crash issue, you can take the help of software named Crashed. It's a crash dump analyzer that tells you which component is causing the issue. So let's download it from its site and install it on the PC. Once it is installed, click on Analyze, and it will check the crash dump on your PC and produces the report. So now we will scroll down to see the report. Here you can see on my PC there was a crash on this date, and we can see it was a graphics card error that caused this crash. If we look at the analysis, it suggests updating the graphics card driver, and it's also possible that the graphics card was overheated or malfunctioned. So this is how you identify the cause and start the troubleshooting, whether it's a hardware or software-related issue. Most software-related issues can be resolved by simply reinstalling Windows. For hardware, it's a little difficult to find a solution as you don't have a separate working piece of that hardware. So it is better to seek help for hardware-related issues. Using these tools, you can narrow down the cause of the crash and start fixing your PC. That's it for this video.